Dear students, welcome to this video. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression. 6 times 6 divided by 6 times 6. This algebraic expression seems very simple, but it tricks almost everyone. 90% of people choose the wrong option. They do the multiplication between 6 and 6 is equal to 36 divided by 36. They do the division between 36 and 36 is equal to 1. 1 is the wrong answer. 6 times 6 divided by 6 times 6. It means that we need to perform all the operations step by step in order from top to bottom. Use the rule of. We do the multiplication between 6 and 6 is equal to 36 divided by 6 times 6. Now we do the multiplication between 36 and 6. Is equal to 6 times 6. We do the multiplication between 6 and 6. Is equal to 36. 36 is the correct answer. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, वीडियो को लाइक शेयर और कमेंट कीजिए. सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल.